English-Tagalog sentences using want. Gusto ko nang matulog. I want to sleep. Anong gusto mo? What do you want? Gusto mo ba ng pera? Do you want money? Gusto ko ng pagkain. I want food. Gusto ko ng maraming-marami. I want a lot more. Ito ang gusto ko. This is what I want. Wala akong gusto kahit ano. I don't want anything. Gusto kong kumanta. I want to sing. Sabihin mo sa akin kung ano ang gusto mo. Tell me what you want. Gusto namin ng bago. We want something new. Gusto mo bang maging mayaman? Do you want to be rich? Kunin mo kung ano ang gusto mo. Get anything you want. Anong gusto mong gawin? What do you want to do? Ayaw kong sumuko. I don't want to give up. Gusto kitang makita ulit. I want to see you again. Ayaw mo bang lumabas? Don't you want to go out? Ayaw kong pumunta mag-isa. I don't want to go alone. Gusto ko nang babasahin. I want something to read. Gusto ko siyang pasayahin. I want to make him or her happy. Gusto kong makita ang bahay mo. I want to see your house. Anong gusto mong gawin ko? What do you want me to do? Anong gusto mong pag-usapan natin? What do you want us to talk to? Ayaw kitang kausapin. I don't want to talk to you. Gusto kong basahin mo ito. I want you to read this. Gusto kitang pasalamatan sa pagiging matapat. I want to thank you for being honest. Gusto kong sabihin sa iyo ang totoo. I want to tell you the truth. Gusto ko siyang sorpresahin sa kanyang kaarawan. I want to surprise her on her birthday. Gusto ko sanang humingi sa iyo ng pabor. I just want to ask you a favor. Gusto ko munang umidlip saglit. I want to take a nap for a while. Bakit gusto mong mapag-isa? Why do you want to be alone? Ayaw kong maghintay ng ganoon katagal. I don't want to wait that long. Gusto ko lang ng may makakausap. I just want someone to talk to. Gusto mo ba siyang makita? Do you want to see him or her? Sabihin mo sa akin kung bakit ayaw mo dito. Tell me why you don't want to be here. Sigurado ka bang ayaw mong gawin ito? Are you sure you don't want to do this? Kung gusto mo akong kausapin, tawagan mo ako. If you want to talk with me, please call me up. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na importante ka sa akin. I just want you to know that you're important to me. Kung ayaw mong magkasipon, isara mo ang pinto. If you do not want to catch a cold, then close the door. Magmadali ka na kung ayaw mong gabihin ka sa pag-uwi. You'd better hurry up if you want to get home before dark. Kung gusto mong matupad ang mga pangarap mo, magpursige ka. If you want to make your dreams come true, be diligent. Hindi kita pipilitin kung ayaw mong sumama sa akin. I will not force you if you don't want to come with me. Gusto kong malaman kung bakit niya ginawa iyon. I really want to know why he did that thing. Marami akong gustong gawin pero hindi ko magawa. I want to do many things but I can't. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. I just want you to know that I am here for you. Gusto kong tratuhin mo siya bilang isang kapatid. I just want you to treat her as your sister.